Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change the language of your Facebook application. Now to do this, simply click on these three horizontal lines present at the top right corner of your screen. Then you need to click on this settings gear icon at the top. Once you are inside the settings and privacy page, you need to scroll down until you see this option which says language and region. Click on this option and it will open the language and regions page. Now here you can see in the app language it is currently set to English. To change this, simply click on this button and it will open all other languages. Now for example, if you want to choose any other language, you may choose it from this, or you may also search your language from here. So for example, I will be using any language like Hindi. So simply select this and click on the save button right here. Just let it do the settings and apply them, and once it refreshes, here you can see that my language has been successfully implemented. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.